Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence or AI. We're going to break it down, keep it simple, and make it fun. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. First off, what is AI? Well, in the simplest terms, AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines that mimic human intelligence. But it's not just about robots that can play chess or voice assistants that can book your appointments. It's about creating systems that can learn, reason, problem solve, perceive, and use language. AI is all around us, and it's transforming the way we live and work. AI isn't new. In fact, the concept of AI dates back to ancient times, with myths and stories about artificial beings endowed with intelligence or consciousness. Fast forward to the 20th century, the term artificial intelligence was coined in 1956 by John McCarthy at the Dartmouth Conference. Since then, AI has evolved and grown, thanks to advancements in technology and computing power. Now, you might be wondering, how does AI work? It's all about data and algorithms. AI systems are fed large amounts of data, which they use to learn patterns and make decisions. This process is called machine learning. Let's break down machine learning a bit more. Imagine you're teaching a toddler to identify dogs. You show them pictures of different dogs, and each time you say, "This is a dog." After seeing enough pictures, the toddler starts to understand what a dog looks like. Machine learning works in a similar way. We feed the AI system lots of data, and over time it learns from this data. Deep learning takes this a step further. It's inspired by the human brain's own network of neurons. These artificial neural networks can learn from vast amounts of data, making them incredibly powerful for tasks like image and speech recognition. There are also different types of AI. Narrow AI, which is designed to perform a narrow task, like voice commands in your phone. Then there's general AI, which can perform any intellectual task that a human being can do. And finally, there's superintelligent AI, which surpasses human intelligence and can perform tasks better than a human across most economically valuable work. AI is not just a thing of the future, it's all around us. When you ask Siri to set an alarm, or when Netflix recommends a movie you might like, that's AI at work. It's also used in areas like healthcare, finance, transportation, and so much more. Before we wrap up, let's highlight 3 key takeaways from our deep dive into AI. 1. AI is everywhere. AI is not just about robots and voice assistants. It's a transformative technology that's all around us, impacting various sectors like healthcare, finance, transportation, and more. So next time you ask Siri to set an alarm, or when Netflix recommends a movie, remember, that's AI at work. 2. Learning is key. The core of AI is learning, machine learning and deep learning to be precise. These systems learn from vast amounts of data, much like a toddler learning to identify dogs. This learning capability is what makes AI so powerful and versatile. 3. The future is exciting. AI is a rapidly evolving field. With advancements in technology and computing power, the potential of AI is enormous. From narrow AI to general AI and even superintelligent AI, the future of AI is exciting and holds immense possibilities. Remember these points as you navigate the world of AI. Understanding AI and its impact is crucial in today's digital age. So that's a deep dive into AI. We hope you found this video informative and interesting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.